I really like putting together the call to action. That's probably my favorite step because in sales, that's obviously a very critical step. And I think a lot of the less experienced salespeople tend to miss it.
Call to action is what you want your audience to do after they heard your messages. You need to ask them to do just that. So fill out the what do you want them to do? Prepare for something. Allocate resources for something. Be specific. Give them a reason why to do it. In order to. If you want to. And complete the sentence. It could be saving money, saving time, increasing revenues. And finally, when do you want them to do it? Is it next week? Next month? Before the next cycle? After something happens? And then click the generate button. That's your one sentence call to action, exactly the way you would say it to the audience.